Welcome back. To make things easier for the rest of my tutorials, we are going to install PyCharm and WinSCP. PyCharm is located at jetbrains.com and WinSCP is at winscp.net. PyCharm, we're going to be getting the Community Edition. It has many features to help you with development. It has autocomplete, error handling, it helps you find errors, and WinSCP lets you browse the Raspberry Pi file system using SFTP protocol. The installations are fairly simple. We'll dig into the WinSCP options in a little bit to make it so when we open a Raspberry Pi Python file, it opens it up in PyCharm. If you don't have Python installed, go ahead and install that too on your PC. It helps a lot to be able to handle errors before you send it to the Pi to run. WinSCP installs in various languages, or you can run in various languages. I'm going to speed this up so we can get to the options. Okay, so in hostname you enter the IP address or hostname of your Raspberry Pi. Unless you've changed the SSH port, always leave it at 22. Enter your username, it's usually Pi, and whatever your password has been set to. Hopefully it's not the default. Save the session so you can load it from the left side later. Just name it to whatever you want. I'm going to name, let's say, let's call this PyLC S7-1200. You can save the password, but it's not recommended. Whenever you double click this, if you were to save it to the desktop, it'll open up this WinSCP commander view. Right here we're going to authenticate, make sure, type in the password. If you check the box, remember password for this session, PyCharm won't, when you save, require you to enter your password every time for that. Let's go to Options, Preferences, and Editors, so whenever we click a Python file we can open it up in PyCharm. So off to the left, halfway down, you'll see Editors. Click Add, External Editor, browse to the directory of PyCharm, which is in Program Files, JetBrains PyCharm Community bin, it's in the bin folder. Then make sure you change the editor file type to star.py and then hit OK. Move it to the top so all the other editors don't open it up. Let's create a new file. Let's call this plcreadm.py. If you don't put a .py, it will just open it up in the regular editor that they have. Now, I'm going to show you how to install packages onto your PC very easily. If you see a red line on some of your code, it means there's an error. PyCharm doesn't know what to do with it. If you hover over it, it'll give you a red light bulb. If you click it, it'll give you some options. We're going to click Install Package Python Snap7 because it recognized, hey, maybe this is probably this package, so you can install it if you want. That's one of the easiest ways to install a package. And you'll see this package installed successfully. We'll be using PyCharm and WinSCP in the rest of my tutorials, so probably want to try to get it installed. It's the easiest way to program on a headless Pi. Please subscribe if you want to hear the rest of the things I've got to show you. Check out these ones if you haven't tried them already. Thanks for watching.